are learning about the newly discovered disturbers. Now you are likely wondering, what even is a disturber? Well, you will find out. Let's first see how to spot one. Now we do not have a lot of understanding about them, and many pictures of them are either lost, corrupted, or very low quality. They seem to have an effect on cameras and other analog equipment. So it's hard to say what they look like, but we do fortunately know some signs of them, such as creaking noises, being unable to sleep, a feeling of compelling mystery towards your closet, seeing slight differences in the mirror, sudden forgetfulness, increased fear of the dark, and fatigue. Though it is not limited to those because we still do not know everything about these things, and likely never will. Now how the heck do we defend ourselves from the disturbers? Well, we are not quite sure, but we have a formula that might work. If you follow these simple steps, you might even come out in one piece. Just use the HSUD principle. Step 1, hide. Hide until it leaves, but if it finds you, go to step 2. Step 2, stand your ground, look bigger, and try not to show signs of fear. If this does not work, go to the next step. Note, we are still unsure about this step, but it's worth a try. Step 3, you're really getting desperate, huh? Well, try using a weapon, I guess. If that doesn't work, go to the next step. Step 4, this is the last-ditch effort. If this fails, you are doomed. Don't listen, the entity will try to talk to you, trying to get you to do things, or even come inside the closet. But, no matter how enticing the offers may be, whatever you do not listen. And don't try to communicate or reason with it either. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. It's also a good idea to record your encounter, so we can learn from it. Now that we got that out of the way, we do have some footage of one of the disturbers, so without further ado, let's watch this previously lost footage.
Hey, I want to show you something. Just listen to me, and come inside the closet, Denise. Come inside. You know you want to, Denise. Come inside. Come inside. Come inside. Come inside. Why are you reluctant? You can't ignore me forever, you know. You cannot leave. I locked your door. Denise, why are you reluctant? There is something beautiful I want to show you. Come on, just open your eyes. A new possibility, Denise. See? Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, bad decision, Denise. Alright, that's all for today, Ivan Bluebell. I hope you learned something and liked this tape.